It's possible. Number 1. Be willing to go all out, in pursuit of your dream. Ultimately it will pay off. You are more powerful than you think you are. Go for it. Number 2. It has been said, most people die at age 25 and don't get buried until they are 65. Make an effort to live your life to the fullest. Number 3. Listen to yourself, the voice that's in your heart, not your head. It will lead you to your goal. Number 4. There are 3 ingredients in the good life: learning, earning and yearning. Number 5. You have to be willing to allow the person you are today to die so that you can give birth to the person you are meant to become. Number 6. Other people's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. Number 7. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Number 8. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Number 9. Life has no limitations, except the ones you make. Number 10. If you take responsibility for yourself, you will develop a hunger to accomplish your dream.